Hi guys, what's going on? I'm here with Marcello. He's a former hedge fund trader, so it's probably like the second time I've had a guest on this stream. But yeah, it's a pleasure to be here with Marcello on Christmas Eve. It's a very special time. Um, yeah, Marcello,
Right.
if you want to introduce yourself, like what your experience is. I know you're Italian and you've had quite a bit of experience in various things.
Yeah, I'm mostly like, you guys make fun of my accent. I know that. So thank you for having me, my friend. I know you just wanted to, like, make fun of me tonight for Christmas Eve, but I missed you.
No, I wanted
Yeah,
to get your expert knowledge on crypto and the markets on this, because everything is closed, but Bitcoin and Litecoin and Ethereum is 24/7, 365. So it's very happy that you could make it here and make this more interesting.
thank you. Yeah, like probably who doesn't know me, which is gonna be a lot of you guys. Yeah, I'm an Italian who just moved to the US like 3 years ago, 2.5, and I've been like dealing with trading and hedge funds and any kind of asset classes for a little while. And I met this guy here, and we kind of like liked each other, and we like to just make fun of us and talk about trading. Very relaxing, very very nicely. And thank you again, Boris, for having me.
Yeah, and also you're part of you're at the top of the Italian mob in Sardinia.
Yes, I
Very
have.
powerful.
So you guys be careful with what you guys commented about it, because I can track you, and you if something happened,
Yeah,
to one of your dear family or cars, whatever, it's not my fault. Obviously, it's not going to be.
yeah, yeah. Same with me. I'm part of the Russian higher ups up there, so we
Yeah, you
control the
guys are
price
like
of
really
everything.
violent. You guys too
And
violent. You are nicer.
we are one of the most brutal. We are one of the most brutal, actually. The
Yeah.
Italians are kind of nice. They're pretty nice,
We
very
just
generous.
mind our own business. We just care about business. We don't
But
care
the
about like.
Russians will beat you over the head with a baseball bat.
We'll see. I'm also
Oh,
from mafia.
hold on.
Okay, Alicia.
Alicia, I'm also from Mafia.
What kind of
Oh,
mafia?
what Mafia are you part of, Alicia? Tell us.
So how's it going? How would
Yeah, we're from. Yeah, I think as well. I mean, Bitcoin's near 100K. Um, I think 100K is about resistance right now. It's a big like psychological zone. So yeah, I'm watching that level. If it breaks 100K like on a 4 hour, maybe we can go long on Bitcoin. But for now, it's like pre-Christmas. Like markets are closed across the world. So I think this price action is not like very real. I don't know. What do you think?
are you planning on make some trades during the holidays, or how's it going
Yeah, I
for
already
you?
made some. I already made some.
I heard you
I
making
already made
like
some trades.
so many profits. You're doing so good. You're top trader at
No, I,
CoinW.
I always do good because I'm part of the Russian mafia. So
Money laundering, yeah.
yours, Boris, but I moved to Ukraine in 2020. Oh, so
Uh,
you're part of Russian mafia. Interesting.
your people.
Ah, you're with me then. But yeah, you're with Ukraine. Well, yeah, I'm Russian, Ukrainian, whatever. Doesn't matter.
Whatever. It's just
Soviet mafia.
Soviet, yeah. URSS. Anyway, I was looking at the Ethereum actually on the monthly, weekly time frame. It seems like doing a pretty nice. Let me show you.
С
Pretty nice,
какого города?
like a
Я
trade.
родился в Москве. Talking in Russian, secret language.
Yeah, nice.
Um, Wait, do you want to share your chart?
I am. You need to approve it, I guess.
Hold on. Oh, okay, let me add you.
There we
Okay.
go.
All right, go ahead. Yeah, Delosi will do your comp analysis after Marcello shows his.
Yeah, this is Ethereum, and I can tell, this is pretty clear pattern trend it's been forming. So probably, if it's gonna follow the main one, we might see even the Bitcoin going down, which might take down a little bit of Ethereum. So maybe the resistance at the Bitcoin will, drag them a little bit down to back to. Can I, try to say 80,
Mm-hmm.
85 maybe? I see like even 75 could be like a little like, push down. And then on the Ethereum could be, let's say 2500 could be. And, continuing this pattern here inside a triangle,
Okay.
which has been trying to breach here, but, it didn't work. And I guess you need to explain to me long term who's going to take place. We already talked about this another time, no, and actually it did happen, when I told you, Bitcoin when it's going to be, now that it's like inside the biggest like ETF, and is going to be traded, like that is going to be, I don't know if it's going to be
Yeah,
traded like
yeah.
that high, but probably like a lot of funds would push all the money into it, because the SEC has been giving um, the green light, and this is what happened, right? And
Mm-hmm.
this is funny. Well, it's not funny, but it's like pretty like obvious. Bitcoin has been growing, and you see the other coins has been just JK off a little bit, not doing so much like Bitcoin, or like they're
Yeah,
still, but not like
yeah,
as
for
much as
sure.
Bitcoin.
Ethereum. I mean, Bitcoin has been the leader. Um, yeah, let me show you guys the monthly chart of Ethereum against Bitcoin. So, 1 second. Hold on. Is the push over? Should we be looking for the short on Bitcoin right now?
I mean, they ran
Um,
pretty much, but that's
yeah,
the
I'd
thing.
say I don't know. It depends on your time frame. It's like it's Christmas Eve, and then tomorrow's Christmas Day, so it's like markets are closed. Um, I'd say 100K psychological level. If it can get above that, that would be a good area to short from. But again, this is not financial advice because I'm not licensed, so I can get in
No, I
trouble.
mean, financial advice is not like common sense. That's the thing. They're like two big trade-off, right? Two big scenarios. One, it could be, 100K. It might go down because people take profits. They want to like, take profit on all their position and see, but don't not forgetting that Trump took place, and with Elon Musk on whatever position he's going to put it in, we might keep seeing like and like I
Mm-hmm.
said, the SEC giving the green light to trade on a normal market, the Bitcoin. As it seems like kind of countersense going short, even if graphic wise
Yeah,
it seems it might go like a little bit, pumping the brakes a little bit, which is could be even normal. Like I said, it's been growing a lot. Yeah, show us the.
yeah. I mean, that's been the case the entire year. Like I remember earlier this year, Bitcoin was like at 40K, and I thought that was too high, and now it's at 100K or close to 100K. So it's pretty crazy. Let's see. How long will the stream be? I don't know. It's going to be as long as you want it to be. It's more as a holiday, so no one's working.
Everybody's drinking except for us for now.
Yeah, I'm drinking some Gatorade.
Yeah, we should. Back in
Uh,
Austin, when me and my friend took place in the one of the most famous uh, crypto conference here in the U.S. in my state, which I'm in Texas now. So
yeah,
we'll keep you company. Don't worry, Curie.
yeah. Can entertain you. Don't worry.
So we ran the show at Consensus last year, and we had a little bit of fun. Yeah, a lot of Gatorade involving. If you
Yeah.
guys understand.
Let me try. Let me answer Alicia's question because she's Russian mafia, so
Oh, what is
I
it,
need
Casey?
to be afraid of her. Well, let's take a look at KSM. Some kind of coin.
Yeah, I would just say, what the hell is that?
So your entry is 36.5. Yeah, I think like whatever I posted in the Telegram, just follow those instructions because these altcoins are going to fluctuate a lot. So low leverage, low risk. I think you'll be fine. Yeah, Brian, what did you miss? Just got in. Not much, man. It's Christmas Eve. We're having fun here, drinking Gatorade.
Just mind the old memories.
Yeah,
So you were
actually,
saying,
Marcello used to be an ex CoinW trader, but he moved on to bigger things.
I mean,
Do you want to talk about your experience at being a trader at
yeah,
CoinW?
I love them, man. Like I always try to,
Yeah.
I had to make my own choice. Like I had like a two part-time jobs. One was with CoinW, one was my actual employer, and they offered me a full time, so I had to
Mhm.
switch to this one. And by kind of, I wouldn't say regret, but I always like miss trading and talk about like financial market chart analysis and making fun of Boris mostly. So
Yeah, Marcello used to be one of the greatest CoinW traders. Um, he used to push the leverage button to the max. Um, he was one of the best. I hope he comes back. Maybe soon. He'll come back.
yeah.
Oh yeah, it's already Christmas Day in Sydney. That's where our friend Jordan lives. No, he lives in Perth or something. He
Oh,
does live in
nice.
Australia. Yeah.
Well, and they having like probably
Yeah,
like
Brian.
very nice weather.
Exactly. Getting them electrolytes in. That's what we're doing. Anyway, what's going on in the equity markets, Marcello? Because I've just been focusing on the crypto markets. Like, what do you think? What do you think is going to happen in 2025 in the
I
markets overall?
mean, it's it's kind of like the same thought that I was telling you. Let me share like the S&P 500 just for fun. I think
Mm-hmm.
that you know we let me share this. So this is the S&P 500
1 second.
on a weekly time
Let
frame.
me just answer Brian's questions really quick. Which one of the calls are you most confident of the three you posted?
Yeah, let me.
To be honest, like AI is going well so far. So that's the the one I'm most confident in. And then, to be honest, like any call I post, I'm confident in all of them. So yeah, but I would use like low risk just because like the holiday season and volatility is low, so prices are going to move like very with a lot of volatility just because there's not a lot of market making activity. So just be aware of that. But yeah, maybe choose KSM just because it's down right now. Uh, yeah, KSM. I like the V chain trade as well. That answers your question. And yeah, Kurima, what's the time frame to trade calls? Yeah, I said it's the daily time frame. I'm sorry, no, it was the 12-hour. And then I'll let you guys know as soon as it's invalidated or how the trade is going. But anyway, Marshall, go ahead with your analysis on S&P.
Yeah, I was just like showing the S&P 500 on the. This is a weekly time frame. And actually, this is the monthly. Let's always start with the big one. So this channel has been pretty consistent through, the last almost 8 years. I would say
Mm-hmm.
even 10, because this has been like a big resistance and then at the same time a big support back in 2020 during COVID. So and then
Mm-hmm.
it went all the way up for what I think is until Trump will like take place, which is gonna be January the 20th, could be. Or was it gonna be like
Yeah.
the so we'll see the market going up again, probably might touch 60, even 64, 6,500. And, there could be a point where things can be, rethink, or we're going to see what's going to happen, because there are like too many things that they're going to be happening, which is going to be,
Yeah.
do you think there would be a
So
dump just before? No, I think
yeah,
it's going
Mar
to.
asked a good question. Do you think there will be a dump just before Trump's inauguration, just from market maker? I guess that means market makers.
For what I can say, like I
Um,
think like 63, 64 can be an area of index level where we can still see some growth. And that could be a point where you can decide, you might want to like lower your size and see, because man, like this is a big, from here to here, it's, I wouldn't say double because it's not, but it's 80% up. So I mean, you want to be considered like doing something else, like
mm,
when, remember we already talked about this. I Because of um, the Bitcoin taking place into the ETF, so allowing, giving the green light.
yeah.
I'm repeating myself, but that was the point. I kind of said, the infrastructure and all the the bank deposit will need new players. And
Mm-hmm.
we saw that at that time there was just Coinbase, I think Fidelity, if I recall
Yeah,
correct.
Fidelity is one of the main ones right now.
So you
Oh,
might want to see, like trying to pick up some other stuff that can take advantage of these new markets. I've read about like the computer quant, which can be some other area that they want to explore. And so this kind of thing can be something you want to like. But the S&P 500, man, it's been the American um, capitalism and like economy, it's based on that, on financial markets. So
Hmm.
no matter what, on a very long time frame, like 10 years retirement age, you always want to pick the S&P 500 if you want to put your money in there. So you need even to understand what's your time frame. If you we want to pick stock, you can, like I said, trying to get involved into those two things I was talking about. But if overall you just want to put all your money like into a retirement instrument, I mean, nobody
Hmm.
ever beat on the S&P 500. So this could
Yeah, I mean,
be.
this is a crypto show, so
No, I know. I'm just saying,
yeah,
like,
yeah, I know what you're saying. But what's your opinion on
my
Bitcoin? Do you think Bitcoin will go to 150, 200, or what? What are your thoughts?
that's the thing that I don't understand. I will wait for Ethereum to, because that's what they're talking about, releasing even Ethereum
Hmm.
as a tradable assets into like the normal markets. That could be,
Hmm.
the actual turnaround move, because knowing that, you know um, the all the infrastructure, all the algorithm behind Ethereum is open. It's just will just make it grow.
Hmm.
So Bitcoin maybe is gonna be used as the gold, as the new gold, because they're gonna like maybe like stop producing so many new, because like I said, the algorithm will stop. So it's gonna be, I'm talking about like very far away. So they would probably we will be maybe using Ethereum as
Yeah.
a main or second coin, and then maybe Bitcoin will be just
Hmm.
like a used as a gold, as a very like protective commodity in the very far future. That's what I
Yeah.
think.
So I do think like Bitcoin is digital gold, and then I wanted to show the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart because it's been in a downtrend since like 2022. So
I
like
mean,
Ethereum
because
versus Bitcoin, it's not
everybody
doing so well.
probably has been
So
switching, like,
yeah, like look at yeah, it's been switching to what?
I mean, like, it could be that people have been like switching from Ethereum to Bitcoin, or from the altcoin to
Yeah,
Bitcoin, because in the end they realized Bitcoin will have had that, this what that we are experiencing now.
yeah. But even with the Ethereum ETF launch, it still hasn't really moved much. It's still going down. Um, so I would, I always tell people when they ask me what to invest in crypto, I tell them just buy Bitcoin. I don't know about Ethereum, and I don't know about what are your thoughts on Litecoin? Because that was one of your favorites to trade. I remember.
Yeah, I was very focused on LTC.
Why were you so focused on Litecoin?
I don't know. I
You were
think I
like,
like the volatility itself on that. Like on the time
really?
frame I was using, it was pretty volatile. Even if, it was quite disturbing how sometimes it was reacting. But
Yeah.
yeah, it was, what my strategy. It was pretty fun to trade.
LTC, hold on. Cormar says LTC and TC have little utility, right? Just retail coming in and out. I'd say Litecoin is very fast compared to Bitcoin. So you can perform a transaction in like a minute or less. And then ETC, to be honest, I'm not too familiar with Ethereum Classic. If that's what you're referring to. But I would say Litecoin. I think Litecoin is like Bitcoin's like sister. It's like I don't know. It just needs more work.
I heard from a
But
friend of mine
yeah.
who is like a very tech expert, and he, kind of like read about and research about like, the main crypto systems. He was saying actually Solana is a very steady, good.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's one of the top cryptos right now, Solana. So I should take a look at the top coins right now. Because obviously Bitcoin is number one, Ethereum is number two. Can you guess what number three is going to be?
LTC.
All right.
No, XRP.
Well, Tether, it's not real. Wow, it's pretty incredible, actually.
Yeah, XRP, man. That was another my favorite.
Now we have BNB, Solana number 6, Dogecoin number 7.
Man.
So USDC is a stable coin, so we're not going to
You
count
see,
that. ADA,
Cardano
number
use
9.
a kind of like renewable. I don't know if it's real or not. Like they claim to use like renewable energy infrastructure to produce it, but that's why I like it too. That long term.
Yeah, hold on. Kramer asked, what do you guys think about SUI long term? Let's take a look.
I mean, that question is more really like
SUI or like SUI. That's kind of a new coin.
Yeah, I think this question is more for like really like a tech expert, a payment tech expert, because we're trader. We can tell you like within a year, like how that based on the chart we can read, we can try to predict or guess where it might go. But then like news wise, which is what drive of the
so
market.
This is the chart.
We don't know.
Yeah, I'd say SUI is doing very well. So just based on my technical analysis, I'd say it's going to keep going up. Like if you're in it, then I'll keep holding it.
And let's remember, everybody, like we are just talking as friends. We don't recommend anything. We don't want to get in trouble. We are not recommending or suggesting any trade to place. Okay, we're just two friends talking, right, brother?
Yeah.
As a disclaimer.
No, there's no need for disclaimers. I mean, with Trump in office, he's going to get rid of Gary Gensler, so it's going to be less regulations and stuff.
Yeah, that's the thing. I'm saying, like, I think Bitcoin will keep going until something crazy will come up, but if long term, I will always like put my money on the Ethereum. Long term.
Interesting.
I will, yeah.
So do you think Ethereum is undervalued right now?
Yeah, definitely. I told you they're talking about like putting, doing the same thing they do, like releasing an ETF, which you will see Ethereum will like explode way more than Bitcoin, even because it value itself, it's smaller than Bitcoin. So he has a big way to grow. Plus it's the Russian mafia, right?
Yeah.
Ethereum is Russian mafia, right?
Ethereum. Yeah, Vitalik Buterin is Russian, so he's part of my gang. So yeah.
Yeah. So
I tell him what to do.
And even Elon Musk is like what, Russian heritage something? Isn't like
nice. South African.
Yeah. Oh, South Africa. I thought he was like he's South Africa. I thought he was like Eastern European heritage.
No, he's from South Africa. Yeah.
Oh, we know somebody from South Africa, didn't we?
So I don't know. Yeah, we know some people. But Kurma has Yeah, the TRX one, yeah, that's still good. That's in profit. That DOT short is it's yeah, it's in a bit of joy, but it could still play out. So I'm keeping both positions in because I'm, my style. I like to hedge my positions, so I'm still keeping both of them. So yeah, they're still valid.
What about like creating your own
So,
ETF on crypto, bro? Your own, no
what
ETF,
do you
like
mean?
your own like little fund. Like actually, what you're doing, like it's your own like hedge fund, aren't you? You can just like invest long term
Kind of. I
on.
mean, you guys, yeah, you guys can just copy trade me on my account. If you look up Boris on CoinW, you'll find me
Yeah,
there.
show how you're going, man. That's you're being crazy, doing good, man. Sorry. Show us your big performances.
Yeah, I'll have a highlight reel full of my biggest trades this year. Yeah, guys, it's Christmas Eve, so
Yeah, market is
you
flat.
should spend time with your family, your friends. Um,
Instead of like watching
if
these
there's
two
nothing
guys
else,
talking about
yeah,
cryptos, right?
yeah, yeah, we should stop listening to the Italian Russian mafia talking BS.
Show us like
It's
some
yeah,
potential new trades you have in mind to place, or if some alert sound down, or what's your next move? What you're waiting for?
yeah, yeah. So I put on a trade on this. Yeah, my next move is tomorrow's Christmas Day, which is tomorrow's Wednesday, and Thursday markets open up. So I'm waiting for Thursday for volatility to return. For now, I'm just doing some like light trades. So there's this one coin called AI, which is like about artificial intelligence, which is very correlated to the what do you call it? The AI market in equities. So kind of broke this downtrend. It's not a good line,
So
but
how does
anyway,
it work? Like, does
it
it
aligns
sell?
with some of my indicators. So I'm taking it long up to like this level. Yeah. Hold on. Luke asks, "What do you think? What do you guys think is the next coin worth the hype, and what will push the limits in 2025?" Um, yeah, look, to be honest, that's more of a fundamental question. We're more like technical analysts, so I don't know what to tell you. It's
I
probably
mean,
going to
like,
be some meme coin just because there's less regulation because of Trump's like policies and administration. So yeah, I can't pick like one coin that's worth the hype.
I will say
Um,
that, like I was telling earlier, it depends, yeah, on the Trump administration and the SEC. Like I said, if
yeah,
the Ethereum will follow Bitcoin and be regulated and be tradable on the classic financial markets as a ETF, there will be one coin to take an eye on. And I will say any Elon Musk coin related like XRP, Doge, for no sense, just because of they're related to Elon Musk, all the Musk universe. It could be something that you want to like take a look as well. That's my perspective. Don't be shy.
Yeah, Luke says, "Don't be shy, not a meme coin." Like our Link ADA.
Didn't CoinW
Uh,
was about to
honestly, I would
launch?
take a look at the more undervalued coins. Like, yeah, CoinW. We have our own coin at CoinW called CWT, which is similar to BNB. So you get like reduced trading fees if you purchase that coin. So maybe that could be a good pick.
Yeah, that could be something, especially if
Um,
being driven by Boris' performance, man.
yeah, maybe like
I mean,
actually, I do like Litecoin. It's very fast. Like it's accepted by a lot of online merchants. So I think it's undervalued right now. Actually, let me pull up a chart of Litecoin right now.
well, like, yeah, it's still like from the peak, it's pretty low. Still following like a sort of channel. Basically, it's been the same as I left. Going up. Hasn't been moving much.
Litecoin is interesting because it's like it's been consolidating for almost 6 years. So I think that could be a good like long term hold. Just like looking at the chart here.
Yeah, it's
Like it's still a monthly chart. I don't think it's that bad. Like it's
still
like a bull
accumulating.
flag basically.
Yeah, but it's going. It's lowering. Seems like ready to explode. Like like a little
Yeah, I
train is
think
going.
we can at least go back to yeah. If like 2025 is going to be a bull market, we can go back to 200. So and it's a very well known crypto. So yeah, CWT, that's the CoinW coin. So that's up to you.
Can you have a look at you?
Yeah, let's take a look at IO. Actually, I was looking at that earlier.
What's the feature of IO compared to the others, if you know?
Yeah, IO is like pretty new, but I'll look at it from a daily standpoint. Yeah, I don't know about IO. It's like it's no trade zone for me. It's kind of like in the middle of support and resistance at the top here at like $4.2. So yeah, it depends on what time frame you're looking at for IO. Are we looking at M on Bitcoin? What do you mean by M?
What about XRP? Since I mentioned earlier.
Yeah, let's take a look at that. Yeah, XRP. I mean, it had an incredible run from last month. Right now it's consolidating. I think XRP looks really good. But yeah, as a long term hold, like if it goes below like $1.97, then I would, next support would probably be around 1.5 or so. So then if it breaks above like 2.7, then we'll go to like new all-time highs. But for now, I think it's going to consolidate between this range that I've drawn in. Did you take any trades on AVAX after it pulled back? Let's take a look. Yeah, I mean, no trades on AVAX for me, but it's kind of a messy chart for me. Like, if you believe in the project long term, I to invest in, but at the same time, we have to separate trading from investing.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to
Just talking about
explain.
trading here, not like long term investing.
I think for long term, you need to be more like an IT payment expert. You need really to deeply understand about how blockchain works and what kind of blockchain will work better or the most in the future. So, and I mean, Boris is the smartest one, so you always understand better.
No, I think Marcel is smarter because he wrote a dissertation paper on,
Yeah, but there was like,
forgot what, but it was too long
yeah,
and it was very smart.
yeah, there was like way times ago, and I didn't, it was like between an algorithmic trading that I didn't write. Like they gave it to me, but I made my own stuff on that too. So yeah, it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, one more question. Up, down for the night. Guess I'm about Bitcoin. No, man, it's kind of a gamble, to be honest. It's Christmas. Just looking at the hourly, I would say, I don't know. What do you think, Marcel? Up,
Say it again. Say it again. Sorry, I
down
was
on
looking at
Bitcoin.
something else. What did you say?
Up or down on Bitcoin? Is it up or down on Bitcoin
I will
for the night?
say, like I said, you're talking about like the next week. For the night, man, for the night, like look at the volume. I wouldn't even like.
Yeah, for the night.
We are just guessing. You're just taking like this as a game. Let me see. For the night, which means I will say up. It's gonna go back to 100K. There you go.
Yeah. Okay.
Look at that.
So Marcel says up. I think.
Yeah.
I think.
Let's say
I think I think we're gonna go down because we have like a double top on the 1 hour.
No, because I think like on the night, yeah, there's gonna be like some BS that will just like as a FOMO say, no, I gotta buy it now.
Yeah, like no,
before the inauguration of Trump. I mean, on the time frame.
Yeah, like no hedge funds are working right now. Or
no, nobody.
Yeah, they're just like working their algos.
I mean,
like, no humans are working right now. Everyone's
look at the hour. I don't know what time is it. 7:45, and it's almost the hour is almost gone. So, I mean, I think it's gonna touch 100K tonight. Yeah, it's gonna like go. It's gonna like just go flat within probably like this. up and down like this. That's what I would say. Which is gonna be
Hmm.
100, maybe not even 100, but maybe it's gonna touch us. Somebody is gonna like do it. We'll see. Well, we'll see next time. What do you think?
Yeah.
Hedge funds are spending the funds for
What
yes.
says, haha,
That,
hedge funds are spending the funds for
that
sure.
is exactly
Of
true.
course. That's what they have to do now.
Why not? Well, that's the thing. I don't think so because they might pay taxes on those. So maybe they just went to the bank and
Actually, Marcello, you used to be an ex hedge fund trader for real back in Italy. So, what tricks do you guys do around this time?
I mean, by that time, like well, I used to work for this hedge fund that um, we had of course our own fund, so you could trade us
Yeah.
potentially, and the metrics that the style was based on theme. So
Mm,
they had this, which it never worked out, I guess, maybe during COVID, but which means like they have been losing a little bit. They try to short, so they actually, you know what, um, Michael Berry did. We did kind of the
yeah.
same. So we kind of build our own. Um, it wasn't like options. We were, but it was kind of similar. We basically like made our deposit bank build like an ETF for us, and we were that
Mm,
will go short on a basket of luxury brands. So it was Herring, Louis Vuitton, all the major brands, the luxury brands. And so they made and create this ATF, and then we just bought that ETF just for us.
okay.
Which it doesn't make
Nice.
sense because it's not tradable. It wasn't tradable. Like, we just have to buy us in order to get that. It was kind of strange. So, and then I remember, when well, I don't know if you follow like the normal market here in Texas. There was a big news back in the day, like 10 years ago. Schlumberger was merging with Baker Hughes. Then they got denied, I think.
Mm,
So and then the another strategy was that one. I don't know why they had like those two stock in their portfolio, and right before the share the stocks were going down, like they were like really like bad. I think now like yes, Schlumberger, Baker Hughes like kind of like felt bankruptcy, like they're not good anymore. And I really have like the all the company that quarter really here where I live in Tumble. And I remember just before the news, I was looking in the chart, and I even told the fund manager, say, hey, you know what? Because he wanted to sell the position entirely. And say, you know what? I think we need to keep it
mm,
like chart wise. It was almost exploding, right? Man, swear to
yeah.
God, like after like a week, news, Schlumberger and Baker Hughes like want to like merge, boom, like that the price like went up like a lot on the news. So they were like, "Oh, good job, good job."
Nice. Uh, yeah, I'm just gonna go through two more things on though. Any thoughts?
I mean, those
Yeah, so
those
Ondo is kind of
coins.
like a very popular crypto right now.
Yeah, you need to explain to me more,
I'll give you
bro,
my quick
because
thoughts.
like that I'm a little bit out of the crypto the past month. So this new
Yeah,
meme
yeah, I
coin,
know. So
I'm
Marcello is
really
more
like
of a like a fundamental, not a fundamental,
I'm a like
like a more of
classic
a
trade.
traditional trading guy. Yeah, I'd say Ondo on the day it looks good. It's consolidating, so it's gonna like move around a bit, but looks pretty bullish to me. And then we're gonna end it soon, guys, because we've been going for almost an hour, like over 50 minutes. And then I'll go. Let me take a look. Yeah, for algo, really, I'd say had a nice run up, but really, I wouldn't do anything until it breaks above 0.52 cent resistance.
You
Yeah,
want to
that's
share?
all I have
I
to say
think
about algo. Oh, I forgot to share my screen. Sorry. Yeah, so algo, like nice run from zero, like 15 cents all the way to 40 cents. But right now, if you're holding it, keep holding it. But unless it breaks like 0. Like 50, let's just say 50 cents, then there's no trade. Just kind of like, yeah. Merry Christmas, Alicia. Merry Christmas. Look, Brian, do you think an entrance on those okay right now? Um, I don't know. It depends on your time frame and your strategy. So DM me on Telegram, and I can help you out further.
right now you don't have to do anything.
Yeah,
You don't need to go back to drink something, enjoy your Christmas.
you guys just spend time with your family, your friends.
There is no time to trade now.
Forget about yeah. Now crypto is special because it's 24/7, 365. I'll post it.
What's the user? Trader Bros.
Or just follow me on Instagram. It's at Trader Boris as well. And then you'll find all my links on there as well.
You should change your nickname in like the mafia boss, trader mafia boss.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe I'll do that tonight. China. Oh no. China will be awake.
Yeah, but it's gonna be Christmas. Oh, they don't celebrate Christmas probably, but
I don't know what I don't know. They don't. Yeah, they don't celebrate Christmas.
yeah, it's true.
What do they celebrate? I don't know.
I just know about like the Chinese New Year's, which is not even New Year's for us. It's literally like another day. It's like in February or
Look,
something.
we love the Chinese. We love old people. We love the Italians, the Russians. Yeah, China's locked in. We're locked in, bro.
Their New Year's is like in
You're
February.
like,
Yeah,
don't,
it's
I
February.
don't know about you. I love the Chinese people.
When
My
is the
favorite.
Russian New Year's
I,
still on the 6th? When it,
I love China. We love China, don't we?
yeah,
You love
definitely.
China. We're gonna go
I
to
do.
Beijing soon.
I would say more Shanghai,
Shanghai, yeah, we're gonna go.
Hong Kong, Taipei. Taipei is like his own. Oh yeah,
That's
it is
Taiwan.
cheap. Taiwan, yeah.
Yeah,
No, Taiwan is on his own country. Like Taipei is China, I think.
it's very too political.
Yeah. I mean,
Wait,
I can be your tour guide. Ooh.
Kurimar,
Ooh.
where are you based from?
That sounds like good.
I
Aren't
need
you
some
going
quick
to
guys.
Bali instead of China? Where are you going for Christmas? Or
Possible. We'll see.
we need somebody in Bali that can give us some. guidance?
Um, Sydney, Australia, but a lot of family and connections in China.
Oh, cool. Yeah, we should go, man. No, no, not Air China because I heard it's terrible airline.
Father's side. Hold on. Father's side is from Shanghai.
Yeah,
Hold on.
Taiwan.
Taiwan, independent dudes. They're
Yeah,
considering this well.
that's what I say. Yeah, Taiwan is like his own country, man.
Yeah, Brian, I have some privacy settings on Telegram, so yeah, just follow me on Instagram.
He's too
Bali,
VIP now.
Australia. Yeah, at least yeah, I've been to Bali. I know about Bali. Yeah, guys, follow me on Twitter at Satoshi Boris.
Satoshi.
And Marcel, is there anywhere where people can follow you?
Oh, I prefer LinkedIn. If you don't mind, more classic guy. You know, you guys are more on the nerdy side. I'm more like classic, old-fashioned LinkedIn. Very like business.
Yeah,
I'm in
yeah,
Houston.
we're based in hidden location. Okay, Houston. Yeah, I'm in New York, so
He's not New York. He's in Newark, which is outside in Jersey. He's outside New York. You're the hedge fund guy. You should have the connection in Bali.
Luke says you're the hedge fund guy. You should have the connections in Bali.
I mean, I know people who have been in Bali, so I'm definitely I can go through around with no problem.
I have connections too. Yeah.
You have been,
Yeah. All right, guys. I've been everywhere: Dubai, Bali, Texas. Where
yeah,
else?
we need
All across Europe.
Yeah, all
Even Hong Kong.
Europe for sure. But I need Middle East and East Asia. I
Yeah.
really want to go probably soon. Probably with you, man. You have good connection there.
Yeah, for sure. All right, guys, we're gonna end it here. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah, probably see you soon.
Bye, guys.
All
Merry
right.
Christmas again. Don't trade tonight.
Merry
okay?
Christmas. Yeah.
And so